Yeah! Come on, Percy! He's a saddle tank, shunting trucks of action. He's a silly little engine who'll never flinch from a fray. He's got more than just mad skill. He has 4 small wheels and a 6. And the women swoon whenever they hear this whistle. He's Percy, Percy the saddle tank. Percy, Percy the saddle tank. Well, he's looking real sharp in his apple green livery. He's got an iron will, nerves of steel, and several other metal-themed attributes. His paint is watertight, and he's always up for a fight. So when evil hears this sound, it shakes in its boots. Oh, he's Percy, Percy the saddle tank. Percy, Percy the saddle tank. The diesels are going down there, Diesel 10. But what's down there? Down that line, Percy, is the old Diesel works. But why are they heading down there? Remember when I banished Diesel, Arry, and Bert on Christmas? They're probably living there right now. And all this time I thought they were living at the ironworks. Well, it doesn't matter where they're living. We have to get those water tankers back and stop Diesel 11. He's got more than just mad skill. He has 4 small wheels and a 6. And the diesels gasp whenever they hear this whistle. Why, he's Percy, Percy, Percy the saddle tank. Percy, Percy, Percy the saddle tank. I'm talking about Percy, Percy the small engine.